Three, two, one. Yes, people, it's Packetson. And welcome back to the trading channel. I didn't put out any content last week, during the week, or any recaps on the weekend. And that's frankly just because I was busy. So we're going to do a quick recap now. I'm just going to show you where we're at with the account and what trade I put on today. Okay, so we're still doing My Funded Futures. We're on our first evaluation with My Funded Futures, 50k. We are up just under 1800. We have 1200 to go to pass the account. We've been at this for a while, about 50 days maybe. How long have we been doing it? 56 days. Look, we've never been in drawdown, but it's been one of them ones where 2 steps ahead, 1 step back. 2 steps ahead, 1 step back. But we've been learning a lot during the journey, and we're doing great. Best trading I've ever done. This is how last week looked. Let me show you quickly. This was last week here. Can you see my mouse? You probably can't see my mouse. The 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. 3 winning days, 1 losing day, and 1 day I didn't trade. So obviously we was up about $450. And so that's good. Winning week. Today we are up just under $400. We had 1 small loss, which was $30, and 1 large win, which was $407. So, a great Monday. Mondays are never good. We always fucking lose on Mondays. Right? Look here, Monday. That's always fun, isn't it? Losing on a Monday. And that's it, boys. I put a nice trade on today. I actually traded the news. It was this news here. It was at 3 p.m. our time. ISM Manufacturing PMI. It's not crazy news, like tier 1 news. Even my prop firm doesn't class it as tier 1 news, but it's still red flag. It still moves the market. My strategy happened to just occur just before the market dropped, the news dropped. But because it was that sort of news, I decided to go for it anyway, and it worked in my favour. The volatility pushed it up nicely. Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, heavy divergence today. Absolutely no correlation. And yeah, good day for trading. Just 2 trades, and I'm up. Anyway, here's the footage of the trade for today and the explanation. See you later. Go on, make your mind up, mate. If you're wondering why it's so volatile, it's because there was news at 3 o'clock. Yeah, you shouldn't really trade news, but it was a nice, really clean trade. And looks like we're heading up to all-time highs anyway, so that's what I'm betting on basically. So it's not really much risk involved now anyway, so might as well hold on, see what happens. Dow is bleeding. Nasdaq doing the opposite, which happens. You do get divergences between the two assets, but it's working in our favour anyway, so that's good. See what happens on the next 5-minute candle. I think I'm going to go to break even. We'll actually leave it there, it's only $30. Come on. It's going for it, boys. It's going for it, boys. It's just not big enough of a profit for me to take, that's all. I'd rather take a little loss as well than go to break even. Come on, you mug. What's up with ya? It's literally doing the fucking opposite of the Dow. Jesus. Doesn't want it. Pussy-o. 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 Let me roll another spliff for the other side. And I feel alright. Where? Let's go, son. Let the river now. Care about me. Blacked out Jeep. Don't know me. Roxanne. With a soft tan. Let the river know. Let's go, boys. Let the river know. Come on, I need some more out of this. Jesus. I'm not being greedy at all. But this... I just need to be making more of my wins. I'm letting them run. Simple as that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Put me to sleep. You're a dreamer. Pussy, you're a creeper. Right, and I closed it. because I was getting fed up. Just getting fed up with it not working. I was getting fed up of it not working. I'm happy though. $400 is sort of what I'm aiming for, between $400 and $500 when I'm in a win. So that's fine. What did we do there? Let's figure out what we did there. Hopefully it doesn't shoot up, but it probably will. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. We can't predict the future. Can we, guys? Let's tell you what I did. Really simple. Trying to catch on to the trend. Basically, when you're in a trend, trends pulls back. Trends pull back. The first pullback, there's nothing really to pull back to, so it's arbitrary whether to get in or not. So that's why I didn't get in here on the 1 minute chart. I like to drill down on the 1 minute chart, joining a trend, right? Looks like it's going to keep going. It doesn't matter. I could have left one micro contract on, I guess. No, fuck it. Anyway, I trended again, pulled back, created this beautiful, perfect reversal candle. It's basically a false breakout / liquidity sweep on a miniature scale. I bought the break of that, and that awarded me about 40 points. Yeah, $400 is 40 points. Get your nans out. Alright lads, that's me done. See you later.